Hey, what's up guys, it's Fonte here, and this is a quick look at the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. The phone has everything, it's beautiful, and it is truly a monster. The Mate 30 Pro has the most impressive camera hardware of any smartphone ever. In addition to the 40 megapixel super sensing camera from the P30 Pro, it gains a 40 megapixel ultra-wide cam, which Huawei calls the Sign camera. Both can use the 3D time of flight sensor to render bokeh in videos. The third camera on the back is an 8 megapixel shooter with 3 times optical zoom and 5 times optical hybrid zoom. Both the tele and the wide cameras have optical image stabilization. Video recording is impressive. It supports 4K 60 FPS video capture, a first for Huawei, I have to tell you. But the frame rates go even higher in slow motion mode. The phone can do a mind-blowing 7680 FPS at HD mode. Whew. The super phone comes with a Kirin 990 chipset, 8 gigs of RAM, and a choice between 128 or 256 GB storage. But the Huawei Mate 30 Pro highlights aren't over. It features a display with widely curved sides, 88 degrees. Huawei calls the design Horizon display. It's an OLED panel with high resolution, HDR support, and full coverage of the DCI-P3 color gamut. Huawei boosted its wireless charging technology, which can now push up to 27 watts into the 4500 mAh battery. Wireless charging remains at 40 watts. There is EMUI 10 on the top of the Android 10, but there is no Google Play service support, so there is no Gmail app, no YouTube app, and no Play Store app. The phone is IP68 water resistant and will cost 1,100 euros with a 256 GB storage. The Huawei Mate 30 Pro is really impressive. I like it very much. The phone is powerful, beautiful, has the best camera on the smartphone right now, but there is one big downside. No support from Google. No support from Google. Can you hear me, Google? So, that was a quick look at the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, guys. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.
Aquí en la parte de arriba. También tenemos un micrófono. También tenemos un micrófono de este lado, la entrada para las tarjetas nano SIM. En la parte de abajo, algo que muchas personas siguen buscando en los teléfonos, una entrada para los audífonos 3.5 milímetros, la bocina y del otro lado control de volumen y también el de encendido. La pantalla del Mate 30 es más grande que la del Mate 30 Pro. Para ser exactos, son 6.62 pulgadas con display OLED, por lo cual ya te imaginarás todo lo que tiene que ver con reproducción de colores para videos, fotografías y juegos. Se ve sumamente atractivo.
Charlie, cuando termines con ese video,
Sí, claro.
la única forma de formarse porque tengo un poquito de equipo.
Sí. Lo malo es que es el negro y no se ve tan bien en video,
No, horrible.
Pero no era lo único que estaba disponible.
A esta altura no está para regular.
Sí, sí.
Puedo dać okazję sitość.
¿Cuál es ese, güey? ¿Cuál es tu?
Un lilo.
¿Este? Ah, el Mate 20. ¿Eh?
Bueno, todo es не просто. Надо conectar. Ya quiero un Pro. Es un Pro. Normal.